Obadiah's, and I am here with Dave from Keystoker, and today we are going to show you guys two different automatic coal forced air furnaces. So directly behind us we have the Keystoker Koker. This is a forced air furnace. As you can see, the plenum located on the top, which connects into the ductwork. And then here is going to be the smaller unit. This is going to be the Koker lite furnace. So Dave is going to take you into some technical details on the product and show you guys a general overview. So if you guys like these videos, if you find them helpful, don't forget, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, click subscribe to our channel. Thank y'all for watching and have a wonderful day.
Here we have a fan limit control. And what this guy does is two or three things. What it does is it controls the fan. When it turns on, you hear that first click, it'll click on, and then that's when it shuts off. So it controls the fan, the on and off of the fan, and also has another click where it tells the unit that the fan isn't operating, that the fan has failed, or something's going on with the fan, that it's overheating. So what this would end up doing is it would end up killing the fire, stop feeding coal, and it would come to a real small fire. And once it starts regaining or bringing itself back to a lower temperature, safe temperature, it'll maintain as it was operating like it was normally if the fan was working. So if you do end up having a problem where you're not getting any heat and you're at an idle fire, 9 times out of 10 is the convection fan is shot or needs to be loosened up, oiled. Multiple problems can go on there. Every single one of our stove that is an automatic stove will have a convection blower on, and on the Kokers, it's on the back here. You get filter brackets. It comes with filters. Okay, and again, this is controlled by this. And here we have a relay. It's an R89 relay, a Honeywell relay, and what that does is when the thermostat calls for heat, that tells the stoker motor to feed coal and builds temperature in the stove, and then in return, when this senses the temperature, we'll kick that convection fan on. Okay, here's our hopper. This is where the coal is stored and filters down through into the unit to the burn tray. Depending on the size of the stove will be dependent on the size of the hopper. You know, the Koker is going to be a bigger hopper versus the Koker Lite has a smaller hopper. Every hopper that comes on every stove is going to have enough coal that'll last you throughout a day, 24-hour day of straight burn time.